Welcome to another SMC technical training video. In this video, we will show you how to set up communication and control for your IO-Link ISE20 or ZSE20. During the video, we will show you the equipment and software you will need and show you step by step how to complete it. In the end, we will verify that the PLC and IO-Link master are on the network of your choosing. Let's get started. Please refer first to our earlier ISE ZSE20 video for general hardware layout and setup. You'll need a PC, software, and network communication to complete this configuration. Next, we can set the IP address for the IO-Link master. Download and install the commercial IO-Link master control software and operating instruction manuals. Then, set the IP address for the IO-Link master as per the manufacturer's specifications. Next, we need to set the IP address for the PC. We can do that quickly from the control panel by going to Change Adapter Settings. Go to Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, and enter the PC IP address. Then install the IO-Link ISE and ZSE20 IODD file into the IO-Link Master Control software. Verify that both the ISE20 and ZSE20 are discovered and have the correct port. And we need to verify that the IP address is set for the PLC. Equipment settings will vary. Each device needs to use the same local area network so that IO-Link can be shared between the IO-Link master, the ISE20, and ZSE20. Finally, to set up the ISE20 and ZSE20 for the desired screen display settings, please refer to the IO-Link ISE20 ZSE20 YouTube product video on our channel, and the operation manual or quick guide to further customize programming. Now that we have verified that all devices are on the network and have set display settings, we're ready for the next step. We hope you found this video useful. In the next video, we will map the data between the PLC and the IO-Link master so that the ISE20 or ZSE20 port can monitor the application's pressure requirement.